Are you over 60 and finding it harder to stand up or climb stairs? Maybe you feel unsteady walking across a room. Many chalk this up to aging, but it's often an early sign of sarcopenia or age-related muscle loss, which creeps in silently, without pain or swelling. Left unchecked, you might soon struggle to get out of a chair. The good news? 3 key vitamins can help rebuild leg strength in days. No intense workouts or expensive treatments needed. This video breaks down these vital nutrients, how their deficiencies cause weak, heavy legs, and how to combine them safely for fast results. Backed by clinical research and years of expertise, this isn't just talk. Stick around to learn a simple vitamin routine most overlooked but works wonders. Before we start, I'd like to request 2 small actions. First, make a personal pledge. If you're committed to boosting your health by strengthening your legs and choosing nutrient-rich foods, type, "I'm ready to thrive" in the comments. This simple act will solidify your dedication and make your journey more tangible. Second, share this video with someone you care about. Many are unaware of how small nutritional oversights can impact their health. Your share could inspire them to take charge of their mobility and well-being. Let's start. After 60, your body changes. Bones weaken, circulation slows, and muscles, especially in the legs, lose strength. The American Geriatric Society notes that people over 60 lose 1 to 3% of muscle mass yearly, meaning you could lose up to 15% of leg strength in 5 years. Why? 3 main reasons. First, vitamin deficiencies. Aging reduces nutrient absorption, lowering levels of vitamins D, B12, and others, critical for muscle function and nerve signaling. Second, poor circulation delivers less oxygen and nutrients to your legs, causing fatigue, cramps, and heaviness. Third, reduced activity, like avoiding stairs or walking less, weakens and shrinks leg muscles. Without proper nutrition, even exercise won't fully restore them. The solution? Replenishing these 3 vitamins can strengthen legs fast. Let's dive into each, starting with vitamin D3, a game changer most seniors lack, which sparks leg strength recovery. Did you know? It jumpstarts your nervous, skeletal, and muscular systems, acting like a master key. The problem? After 60, your body's ability to make this vital nutrient drops sharply. Your skin thins, your liver and kidneys slow, and less sun exposure hampers vitamin D production. This shuts down key systems. Muscles weaken, legs feel heavy, and movement slows. Worst of all, balance falters due to a subtle vitamin D3 deficiency, a critical need. Why is D3 vital? It boosts calcium absorption for strong bones, but that's just the beginning. It ensures muscles contract properly, supports clear nerve signaling, and prevents muscle wasting, which creeps in with age. Low D3 leaves your body shaky and frail, like an old suitcase. How do you spot a D3 shortage? Look for leg weakness, especially on stairs, fatigue from standing or walking, nighttime leg cramps, trouble turning or stepping quickly, or pain in hips, knees, or heels. Some feel slight anxiety, irritability, or sleep issues. These subtle signs are early D3 deficiency clues, often mistaken for aging. What's the science say? A University of Birmingham study found that people over 65 taking 800 IU of D3 for 5 days boosted leg strength by 19% on average. A Chinese study showed seniors taking D3 with light exercise improved leg power and balance in weeks. Harvard's Geriatric Research Center found those with low D3 were 40% more likely to fall or be hospitalized than those with normal levels. The message is clear. D3 protects your independence and bones. How? It enhances calcium uptake, builds new muscle fibers, improves contraction and reaction speed, reduces hidden muscle inflammation, and eases movement. With normal D3 levels, your muscles and joints spring back to life. Dosage. Experts suggest 800, 1000 IU daily for healthy adults over 60 or 1,500 to 2,000 IU for those with fall history or frailty signs. For best absorption, take D3 in the morning or early afternoon with a meal rich in healthy fats like eggs, salmon, or olive oil. Avoid taking it before bed. It may disrupt sleep. Can food alone suffice? Not easily. A 100-gram serving of fish offers $500 IU, an egg 40 IU, and fortified milk 100 IU. Eating enough fish, eggs, or milk daily to hit 1,000 IU is tough for most seniors, making D3 supplements often necessary. Who needs them most? If you're over 60, rarely go outside, feel unsteady, have fallen, have osteoporosis, joint pain, or eat a plant-based diet low in dairy or fish, prioritize D3. A warning: while D3 is generally safe, long-term overuse, over 4,000 IU daily, can cause headaches, nausea, constipation, kidney stones from high calcium, or irregular heartbeats in some. The key? Take the right dose at the right time and monitor levels regularly. Vitamin D3 is the spark that revives leg strength in seniors. Used correctly, it brings stronger legs, lighter steps, and renewed confidence in days. Next, vitamin B12 restores nerve health, balance, and leg confidence. B12 is often overlooked, but crucial for those over 60. Beyond aiding memory and energy, it ensures clear brain-to-muscle communication, especially for legs, supporting healthy nerves, coordinated movement, and fast reflexes. Low B12 blurs this connection, hitting your lower body first. Signs: tingling, burning or numbness in feet, leg weakness when standing or walking, legs feeling asleep or unresponsive, balance issues on flat ground or needing help to walk. Some experience mood swings, mild depression, forgetfulness, or brain fog. These creep in slowly, often mistaken for aging, but they're classic B12 deficiency signs. Why are seniors prone? 2 reasons: poor absorption and diet. Aging reduces stomach acid, especially if you take acid-lowering drugs like omeprazole or ranitidine, hindering B12 uptake from food. Diets low in meat, fish, eggs, or dairy, B12's main sources, also raise risk. Even a balanced diet may not provide enough if absorption is poor. Science backs this. An Oxford University study found seniors over 65 with low B12 walked slower, had worse balance, and were over twice as likely to fall within a year. A Journal of Gerontology trial gave seniors 1,000 mcg of B12 daily for 8 weeks, reducing numbness, improving leg strength, and speeding reactions. B12 keeps your body balanced and your mind sharp. How? It builds the protective sheath around nerves, boosts red blood cell production for better muscle oxygen, enhances energy metabolism, and ensures precise brain-to-muscle signals. Without it, nerves falter, muscles misfire, and legs feel disconnected. At risk? Those over 60 using antacids, eating low meat or vegetarian diets, taking metformin, having digestive issues like IBS or gastritis, drinking alcohol regularly, or having had gastric or weight loss surgery. A quick blood test can confirm B12 levels, as symptoms like clumsiness, dropping items, mild headaches, or persistent fatigue may be subtle. Act early for faster recovery. Dosage: 500 to 1,000 mcg of methylcobalamin daily is safe and effective for seniors. Methylcobalamin is the active form, readily used by the body, especially as conversion slows with age. Take it as chewables, sprays, or sublingual tablets in the morning, or with lunch, avoiding coffee or tea, which block absorption. Can food provide enough? In theory, yes, but it's tough. Beef liver, 3 Oz, has 70 mcg, salmon, 3 Oz, 4.5 mcg, an egg, 0.5 mcg, and milk, 1 cup, 1 mcg. Eating enough daily is impractical for most, making supplements the better choice. Is B12 safe? Yes, it's water-soluble, so excess is excreted. No known toxic dose exists, but consult a doctor if on blood thinners or with kidney issues. Real results? Seniors report steadier walking, restored foot sensation, confident standing, and better sleep after nerve symptoms ease within days. B12 reconnects your brain and body, strengthening legs and boosting confidence. Next, vitamin B1, thiamine, fuels anti-fatigue and muscle energy. While D3 activates and B12 connects, B1 powers your muscles. Without it, even strong bones and sharp nerves lack fuel, leaving muscles weak. Thiamine drives energy metabolism, turning carbs into ATP, the energy for every move, breath, and contraction. Your legs, the body's largest muscles, need a constant supply. Low B1 makes muscles heavy, tired, and slow to recover. Signs of B1 deficiency? Weak or exhausted legs despite light activity, muscle cramps in calves or feet, a heavy or dragging feeling when moving, shortness of breath on stairs, or lightheadedness after standing. Some feel mental fatigue, low appetite, or lack of drive to move. These signal sluggish muscle metabolism, often tied to low B1. Why are seniors at risk? Aging reduces thiamine absorption. Medications like diuretics or metformin flush it out. Alcohol, even moderate, impairs uptake. And diets low in whole grains or legumes limit intake. Research confirms this. A 2021 Tokyo University study found over 30% of 300 seniors had low B1, with weaker legs, slower movement, and more muscle fatigue. After supplements, they gained energy, walked farther, and climbed stairs easier. A neurological sciences study gave 100 mg of thiamine daily to those with chronic leg fatigue. 82% reported better endurance, and 68% felt less leg pain or heaviness in 7 days, with no side effects. How does B1 help? It fuels the Krebs cycle for faster ATP production, quicker muscle recovery, and sustained strength. It also aids peripheral nerve signals for leg and foot control. Without B1, it's like a car without gas. Everything's there, but it won't move. Dosage? Adults need B1.1, 1.2 mg daily, but seniors with symptoms may take 50-100 mg for therapeutic benefits. B1 is water-soluble, so excess is safely excreted. Take it in the morning with a protein or fat-rich meal for best absorption. Avoid alcohol, coffee, or tea, which block uptake. Food sources: whole grains, brown rice, oats, legumes, beans, lentils, sunflower seeds, and pork are rich in B1. But most seniors don't eat enough, and conditions or drugs can impair absorption, making supplements practical. Who needs them? Those with diabetes, frequent alcohol use, diuretics, metformin, acid blockers, leg fatigue, or unexplained weight appetite loss. B1 is safe, even at high doses, but consult a doctor if you have liver or kidney issues. Results? In 3-5 days, seniors report lighter legs, easier walking, less stair-climbing strain, and renewed drive to move. It's like refueling a sputtering engine. How to combine these vitamins? Timing is everything. Take D3 in the morning with a fat-rich breakfast, e.g. yogurt, eggs, avocado, for optimal absorption. B12 works best at midday or early afternoon. To avoid sleep issues, skip coffee or tea. Take B1 with breakfast, whole grains, protein, to boost daily energy. Example: breakfast with yogurt and egg, D3 and B1. Lunch with veggies, salmon or tofu, and B12. Multivitamins? Check labels. Many underdose these nutrients. Take with meals, ideally morning or lunch, not empty stomachs. Don't overdo it. Consult your doctor, especially with chronic conditions. Safety tips: don't self-increase doses. More isn't better. High D3 over 4,000 IU daily can raise calcium, causing kidney stones, nausea, or confusion. Kidney or liver issues require doctor approval as these organs process vitamins. Watch for side effects: Long-term high B6 can cause tingling. Excess D3 may trigger headaches or appetite loss. Monitor blood levels every 6 to 12 months for D3 and B12 to stay in the safe range. Used wisely, these vitamins restore strength, balance, and vitality. In summary, weak, heavy, or unsteady legs aren't just aging, they're reversible. D3 strengthens bones and muscles, B12 sharpens nerves and balance, and B1 fuels energy. Together, they rebuild strength, confidence, and mobility. Take action, check levels, consult your doctor, and start supplements. Did you find this video helpful? Share your thoughts by leaving a 0 to 10 rating in the comments. Your feedback shows me if these vitamin tips are making a difference. Also, let me know what city you're reading from to see how far these health insights travel. If you're motivated to improve your nutrition, comment, "I'm choosing better nutrients," to affirm your commitment to stronger, healthier legs. Before you go, explore related articles on how foods like salmon, eggs, whole grains, and legumes can enhance your vitality. Read them fully to prioritize your well-being. Subscribe and enable notifications for more health tips. Thanks for joining me. Sending warm wishes for a vibrant, active life. Catch you next time.